What we don't want to do is to force your passion and turn it into a business, right? Because business exists not for us, but for the marketplace. In the ideal world, right? So in the ideal world, right? You have your passion, which is good, but just because we're passionate about something, it doesn't mean it should be a business, right? I have a friend of mine. He's a speaker. He's a public speaker, right? He travels and speak. And he said, Dan, you know what I love to do? I would just love to stay home and watch sports game with my kids. But until I can find someone that would pay me to do that, I have to speak, right? So passion is good. I think it's also if you can find your purpose, like your calling, what you're good at, that's also good. Everyone has different purpose, like different calling, right? I didn't know I could teach until I teach. I never thought I could do it, right? I have a knack for it. I love to teach. And then profit. So I think this is that sweet spot. Entrepreneurs, what do? We solve people's problems at a profit. It's about other people. It's not about what we like, right? So if you can combine your passion, purpose with a profit vehicle, that sweet spot, this is the perfect world. Why? Because you're doing what you love, you are solving a problem in the marketplace, making a profit, and then you are in your element, right, where you are the most joyful, you won't get burned out. What's the problem with even traditional business people? They only do it for profit, but you look at their faces, they don't like what they do. They make money, but they don't like what they do. They don't have no passion. They're doing it just for that. I think we could do it a little bit better. It's a good kind of goal. I want to love it. I want it to serve a lot of people, and I want to get super rich with it. Nothing wrong with that. Like, to me, they don't contradict with each other. So don't turn it, don't force it. Pick something that is going to go big, because the goal of building a business is so that you can invest. Until you invest, you will not create wealth.